up friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw the O-guard from Squid Games in Incredibox Sprunki style. So first we're going to get started with the cap. So on the right hand side we're going to draw in a small curved diagonal line coming out towards the center. From that line now we're going to again curve this line up and then over towards the left. And then we're going to replicate the same thing on the top. So we're going to curve this out, ending that so it's on a diagonal. Now we're going to draw in another curved diagonal line closing off the left side. For the rest of the cap on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line across. And now on the left hand side, we're going to arch this line up towards the top. And then we're going to do the same on the right, and we're just going to end that at roughly the same height. Let's close off the cap now with another curved line, arching that over. And then from the center, we're going to arch this line down in opposite directions. Let's draw in the propeller up above now. So we're going to draw in two straight lines for the middle. And then we're going to close that off with another straight line. On the top, let's draw a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. And then we'll do the same thing, bringing this diagonal line out on the bottom. Now from here, we're going to draw in a straight line. Now let's draw in the shape of the head. So we're going to create a nice big circle. So moving over towards our furthest circle, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in towards the middle. And then we'll start back on the right, arching this line down, blending that back together on the bottom. Now from here, let's draw in another circle. So moving further in, we're going to replicate that shape, bringing that in towards the center. And then we'll move across on the right, and we're just going to replicate that. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in another circle. And then stepping outside of that again, starting from the top of the hat, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then back in on the right. Now for the body on both sides, let's draw a diagonal line that comes down towards the bottom of our page. And then we're going to close this off with a straight line in the middle. In the center now, let's draw in a straight line that comes directly down towards the bottom. And then leaving a small gap, we're going to come across on the right and replicate that. Now on the side, let's draw in a small rectangle. And then towards the top of that rectangle, let's draw in a straight line across. And that is it. That's how you draw the O-guard from Squid Games in Incredibox Sprunki style. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.